I'm going to show you a script right now. This has been requested by someone on YouTube, and this script will basically punish players who kill civilians by displaying their name on the map. A bit like a name and shame. So let's get into it. I'll show you the basics of the script right now before I go through the technical details inside the file. So here I have two civilians. I'm going to show you the map. No, nothing's here. So one of the features of the script is it will only pick up if the murderer or the killer is a player. So to demonstrate this, I've got a trigger. When I fire this trigger, so one of them will die. No map marker. If I shoot the other one, so this one has been killed by a player, a map marker is displaying my name, killed a civilian. So let me restart and just display what happens if I kill both of them. There will be two map markers because instead of this one dying by trigger or unknown forces, they will both be killed by a player. So here we go, two map markers, bang above killed a civilian. I am now publicly shamed by everyone who's in the mission. So let me show you what's going on in this script. Simply, I have a trigger. This trigger is what I use to kill a civilian to demonstrate the non-player kill aspect. So C1 is one of the civilians' names I've set. Set damage 1, that will just kill them. This is C1. I've given this one a name. You don't need to give them a name when you're using this script. And in its init field, I've just got this script. Null equals this. This will pass into the script cman1, or the name of this unit, C1 in this case, and then execute civscript.sqf. And the same in the other script, except this one obviously has no name, so it will just pass in the randomly generated name. Okay, so this is the script itself. At the top I have it is server check. This just means that everything in here will be ran on the server machine only, so you won't end up with multiple markers for each player. It's also just more efficient that way because we're using an event handler, more specifically a killed event handler. So when the event of killed happens on this unit's passed in for the script, then we will run all this code. So let's have a look at this code. Each event handler, as you probably already know, actually has set arguments inside. So the killed arguments are the unit that has been killed and the unit that killed the unit. I've simply named this one killer and the civilian unit. So if the killer is player, then we can carry on with the script. Else, we do nothing because the civilian might have died by jumping off a cliff. I mean, you know how the ArmA AI is. It wouldn't surprise anyone if that was the case. So here we've got two formatted variables. In the ID variable, we're just going to create a marker name, a unique marker name, because as you're probably aware, you can't have two markers with the same name. It just won't work. So to create a unique marker name, we're going to format using the unit's sort of variable name. So this will appear here. So with C1, for instance, this will basically say civscript ID C1. And down here we have the text that will be displayed in the marker. Same thing, except instead of a unit, we're using the killer's name, so in this case it's me, and instead of my variable name, which will be like S1 or Alpha 11, we're getting my name, which is Bang and Bob, and we're placing it here, followed by this static text, which says killed a civilian. And this is the usual create marker jargon. So in the name portion, we've got our ID, which we've already sorted up here, and we get the position, ASL. We don't need the above terrain level. This is faster than get pos of the unit. So we'll create the marker where the unit is when it died, and all this stuff. The type of marker, the text, which I've already explained up here, the colour, and the alpha. We'll set it at half alpha, simply because full alpha is a bit overpowering, I think. And finally, because event handlers are running a tight loop, they use quite a lot of processing power, so if you're not using them, it's good to get rid of them. Just a good habit. So at the end, we've got our unit, and we're going to remove all event handlers of killed. So that's it. That really is it. So I'm going to quickly run through this mission again. And remember, you can download this mission below, or you can just ask me any questions in the comments below. So I hope you found this video useful, and I will see you next time.